Every one of us needs to be helped and supported from the very first moments of our life. We cannot survive without the support of others. As we grow, we learn to support others more and more, thus becoming mature persons. Being supportive is one way to overcome our self-centeredness and selfishness. We know that one of Don Bosco's main characteristic features was his giving support, assistance, and trust to many young people to make their dreams become reality.